Today we're beginning a 3-day road trip. We're going to head out of Seminyak and up to Tirtha Ganga. It's the water temple, if you've heard of that, and we're going to visit that today. And we're also headed to Ahmed. And then tomorrow we're going to be heading out to Sideman, and we're going to go to the Tukachikung waterfall, which is very famous. And then on day 3 of this road trip over in East Bali, we're going to head over to Kanto Lampo waterfall, which is supposed to be very big and very popular as well. That's it for our 3-day road trips. It's coming right up, so make sure you watch, subscribe. Let's go. Well, we just arrived up in the area where Tirtha Ganga is located. We're having a lunch here at this little warung. Really beautiful area, as you can see. They've got mountains all around, rice fields. It's gorgeous. So this water palace used to be the King's Palace here in Bali. It was built in 1945. They had a massive volcano eruption by Mount Agung. Mount Agung partially or mostly destroyed this place, and what's left has been rebuilt a little bit. This is Tirtha Ganga. Here they come. I got the big boys. More coming. Eat up. You're not big enough. You need to eat more. Stay hungry. Stay hungry. We are staying the night here in Ahmed, and then tomorrow morning getting up and doing some more exploring nearby on our way to Sideman area. Yeah, so this is the shower light at the hotel we're staying in Ahmed. It's a disco shower. Just wanted to share that. So if you stay at the Ahmed Dream, that's your shower light. Isn't that fun? I'm a little fogged up because I just got out of the car and it's very humid out here. This beautiful scenery is on our way to Lampuyang, which is the temple that's up in the heavens. It's one of the 6 sacred temples here at Bali. I was hoping they wouldn't bump into me. Anyway, we're on our way there right now, and I just wanted to share with you this incredible view on the way there. So this is Lampo, what? So this is Lampuyang Temple. It was built actually in 91 AD. So it's been here for a very long time. It's one of 6 temples that are part of the sacred temple complex here in Bali. Everybody actually comes here to take pictures at this gate right here with Mount Agung, the volcano in the background, which is under clouds right now. But yeah, it's a pretty spectacular sight to see. Here comes Benny. We're going to get our photo ticket. I'll show you the photos in just a second. Yeah, in the background there, that's Mount Agung, which is an active volcano. It last erupted in 2019. It's also the same volcano that kind of decimated the water palace that we went to, Tirtra Ganga, in 1963. If you're in Sideman, this is a great place to stop and have a great lunch. Warung Chepik. It's organic food. And look at the little kitten sleeping. Look at the little kitten.
Orang jadi capek ya, capek kan
ngos-ngosan
ngos-ngosan gitu. Ahmed
Well, good morning from day number 3 here on the East Bali road trip. We are starting out right here in Sideman. This is the Wadi di Ume Resort. I'll put the name right here just to make sure I get it right. Then, as we continue on throughout our day number 3, we're headed to Tukachikung, which is a waterfall that's very famous with the Instagram crowd. It's coming up. And then we'll also be visiting Kanto Lampo waterfall. The weather today is a little gloomy. I'm not sure how that's going to play out. We may be doing waterfalls in the rain. So what? Let's try it, see what happens. And then our final destination for this road trip will be in Ubud Bali, right in the heart of the island. It's one of the spiritual places where all the yoga lovers go and all the vegans love to go get their nice vegan food. If that's one of you, I don't blame you, it's good stuff. But it's all coming up next on day number 3. It. That's the Tukachikung. So the Waterfall Tukachikung is really cool. What makes it annoying are all the people trying to get their pictures in there. A lot of Instagrammers and people from other places that just don't have any manners or respect. But overall, it's a pretty place. And just so you know, that's the top of the waterfall inside the caverns here at Tukachikung. So this is what it looks like after climbing all these stairs. We have just a few more. I am hot and sweaty, but there's this cool little place right here. It's called the Cepung Lounge and Restaurant. They have these cute little swinging day beds with a nice view. Check it out if you're in the area. We're here at the entrance to the Lampo Waterfall. I don't know what it's like. We're about to check it out. Get your Instagram shots. This is the free bus that comes here to Ubud. It'll also swing through Sanur and I believe Seminyak. It's a free ride. It takes about 90 minutes to 2 hours. So if you want a free ride into Ubud, that's the bus to take. So we've just checked in to Ubud, actually outside of Ubud. This is the 5 Elements Resort, standing actually right over here. That's the yoga shala where you can do your yoga. But I'm gonna give you a tour real quick of our villa. Well, that wraps up our 3-day road trip across East Bali, Indonesia. I hope you had a great time watching, and I hope you'll also consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me, it helps my channel grow, and I'm really appreciating all of those that have joined recently once I've gotten here to Bali. There's a lot more Bali content coming your way, so stay tuned, and thanks again for watching.